Hey everyone, welcome back to the Zalwora channel. You might have heard about recent layoffs at tech giants like TCS and other Indian IT companies. It's a question many of you are asking. Is this the end of the Indian IT story? No, not at all. It's the beginning of a revolution. Think about it this way. AI is fundamentally changing how we work. It's not just a new software, it's an intelligent colleague that can handle routine tasks. This means traditional labor-intensive IT projects are becoming a thing of the past. The industry is in a massive transition, and companies that don't adapt will struggle. But this shift is the very reason why Indian AI companies are poised for explosive growth in the coming years. They are at the forefront of this transformation, building the tools and platforms that will power the next generation of business. These companies have a unique advantage: a massive talent pool and a forward-thinking government. Instead of seeing AI as a threat, they're embracing it as a new, more valuable product. The question isn't whether Indian IT is over, it's which Indian companies will lead this new era of AI. This is a deep dive into India's AI stock market, and it's unlike anything you've seen before. Disclaimer: this content is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. The stock market involves risk, and you should always do your own thorough research before making any investment decisions. So, why is India the next big thing in AI? It all comes down to two simple but powerful things: chips and people. First, let's talk about the chips. You've probably heard about the global race for powerful AI chips and the export restrictions the US has placed on countries like China. But India? India is not on that restricted list. In fact, NVIDIA is actively expanding its footprint here, partnering with giants like Reliance Jio to build massive AI data centers. This gives Indian companies unrestricted access to the high-performance hardware they need to play in the big leagues. Without this raw computational power, you simply can't train the advanced AI models that are changing the world. But hardware is only half the story. The real secret weapon, the one that makes India a true global leader, is its talent pool. According to the latest Stanford AI Index report, India ranks number 1 in the world for AI skill penetration. We're home to a huge number of talented AI engineers and data scientists, and that number is growing every single day. And this isn't just a grassroots movement. The Indian government is pouring money into the India AI Mission, a multi-billion-dollar initiative designed to build an entire AI ecosystem from the ground up. This isn't just about catching up, it's about becoming a leader. When you start looking at the stock market, the safest place to begin is with the large cap companies. These are the giants, the big, stable ships in the AI ocean. First up is Tata Consultancy Services, or TCS. This isn't your grandfather's IT company. TCS is now a leader in AI with its own platform called Ignio that helps companies automate everything. Fundamentally, TCS is a rock. In its most recent quarter, it reported a profit of over 12,760 crore, a healthy 4.38% jump. It's almost debt-free, has a high ROE of 45%, and the technicals show a stable uptrend. Then there's Infosys. They are also a global powerhouse, and their AI platform Topaz is driving incredible revenue growth. Infosys is deeply integrated with global partners like Microsoft. Their financial story is just as strong, with a healthy ROE of 25% and a massive 18,000 crore rupees share buyback. We also have HCL Technologies, with its high ROE and consistent deal wins, and Wipro, which is gaining momentum in AI security. These companies might not give you explosive growth overnight, but they are reliable and deeply embedded in the AI ecosystem. Now, if you're looking for a little more action and are willing to take on a bit more risk for potentially higher rewards, you need to look at the mid-cap segment. These are the specialists, the companies that are dominating a specific niche. First, KPIT Technologies. This company is a global leader in AI for the automotive industry, developing software for everything from autonomous driving to EVs. Their financials are fantastic, with a 5-year profit growth of almost 40% annually. They have a high ROCE of over 35% and almost no debt. The technical chart shows a recent breakout from a downtrend, which is a key signal for many investors. Another top mid-cap to watch is Persistent Systems. Their niche is cloud and AI integration, and their balance sheet is a testament to their success. They're debt-free and boast a high ROE of 26%. Their stock has recently seen a strong bullish breakout, with high RSI and bullish MACD. We also have L&T Technology Services, with a solid ROE of 22% and a focus on industrial AI. And don't forget Bosch Limited, which is seeing peak momentum in the automotive and IoT space. The mid-cap segment is filled with agile, specialized businesses poised for significant growth. Now we come to the part of the market that offers the most potential, but also the most risk. These are the small cap companies, the innovators who could become the next big thing. Let's talk about Tata Elxsi. It's a long-standing name in AI-driven design, especially for healthcare and media. While its stock has seen a significant correction with a recent profit drop of 22%, the company is still structurally very strong, with a healthy 35% ROE and zero debt. The verdict? This is a longer-term bet. You'd want to see some strong deal wins and a clear reversal in its chart before jumping in. Next we have Moschip Technologies. This is a true speculator's dream. This is a pure play, high growth story in the semiconductor space. Their recent sales growth has been explosive, with revenue up almost 90% year over year in some quarters. The stock has surged recently, but that also brings risk, with some technical indicators showing overbought conditions. The sentiment is extremely bullish on social media, but analysts are more cautious about the valuation. Other small cap players like Saxoft and Signity Technologies also show strong earnings and growth, making this segment a must-watch for high-risk, high-reward investors. KPIT Technologies has very strong fundamentals with a proven profit growth track record. Its stock has corrected and is now in a period of consolidation. This suggests a high chance of a bottom forming, making it an excellent candidate to accumulate on dips. It's a solid mid-cap core tech play. Moschip Technologies, on the other hand, is all about explosive growth. Its recent sales are through the roof, but the technicals show the risk of a pullback. The sentiment is bullish, but it's largely retail driven. This is a speculative buy for those willing to accept high risk for a potentially massive reward. Finally, Tata Elxsi has strong fundamentals, but its recent performance has been weak and the technical trend is down. The bottoming out chance is moderate at best, and it needs a catalyst like a New Deal win to reverse the trend. It's a hold for core exposure, but not a fresh buy for a momentum trade. And there you have it. The AI story in India is a dynamic one, filled with incredible opportunity. It's not just about a single company, but an entire nation building a technology ecosystem that will change the world. From the stable foundational plays of the large caps to the dynamic growth of the mid caps and the explosive potential of the small caps, there is a way for every kind of investor to be a part of this incredible growth story. I truly hope this deep dive into India's AI landscape gave you a new perspective on where the future of technology is headed. It's an incredible story of an entire nation building a world-class tech ecosystem. If you found value in this content and want to help us reach more people, please give this video a like and share it with anyone interested in building long-term wealth. Your support helps us continue to create detailed, actionable insights. And the conversation doesn't stop here. For more in-depth analysis and wealth building advice, be sure to subscribe to Zalwora. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please drop your suggestions and questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.